Welcome back to another comprehensive review session of Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a personal finance and budgeting app designed to help users manage their finances through the envelope budgeting method. Launched in 2009, Goodbudget offers a digital approach to the traditional envelope system, allowing users to allocate portions of their income to different spending categories or envelopes. The app is known for its simplicity, ease of use, and focus on proactive financial planning. Using Goodbudget. Dashboard Overview. The main dashboard provides an overview of your envelopes, showing how much money is allocated, spent, and remaining in each category. Users can quickly access transaction history, add new transactions, and adjust envelope budgets. Adding transactions. To track spending, users must manually enter transactions. Envelope transfers. If you need to reallocate funds between envelopes, Goodbudget allows for easy transfers. Scheduled transactions. Goodbudget supports scheduled transactions for regular expenses like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Security and privacy. Data encryption. Goodbudget uses encryption to protect user data, ensuring that all information transmitted between the app and its servers is secure. Privacy policy. Goodbudget adheres to a strict privacy policy, ensuring that user data is not sold or shared with third parties without consent. Advanced features. Debt tracking. Goodbudget includes features for tracking and paying down debt. Users can create envelopes specifically for debt payments and allocate funds to pay off loans or credit cards. Syncing across devices. Goodbudget supports syncing across multiple devices, allowing users to share their budget with family members or partners. This feature ensures everyone stays on the same page regarding household finances. Reports and insights. Goodbudget offers various reports and insights to help users analyze their spending patterns, track progress towards financial goals, and make informed financial decisions. Advantages of Goodbudget. Envelope budgeting method. Goodbudget's use of the envelope budgeting method helps users allocate funds proactively, promoting disciplined spending and saving. User-friendly interface. The app's clean and intuitive interface makes it easy for users to navigate and manage their finances. Multi-device syncing. The ability to sync budgets across multiple devices and share them with family members is a significant advantage for household budgeting. Customization. Goodbudget offers a high degree of customization, allowing users to create envelopes that suit their unique budgeting needs and goals. Limitations and challenges. Manual entry of transactions. Unlike some modern budgeting apps that automatically sync with bank accounts, Goodbudget requires manual entry of transactions, which can be time-consuming for users. Limited investment tracking. Goodbudget focuses primarily on budgeting and does not offer extensive features for investment tracking or financial planning. Conclusion. Goodbudget remains a reliable and effective personal finance and budgeting app in 2024, offering a straightforward approach to managing money through the envelope budgeting method. Its user-friendly interface, multi-device syncing, and customizable envelopes make it a valuable tool for individuals and families looking to take control of their finances. That wraps up our detailed review of Goodbudget. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.